Meaning of flow diagram.
Flow diagram.
Flow diagram.
Flow diagram.
Flow diagram. A flow diagram is a visual representation of a process or system that uses symbols and arrows to depict the sequence of steps and the flow of information or materials through the process or system. It provides an organized and systematic approach to understanding how something functions and can be used to identify potential areas for improvement. Overall, a flow diagram serves as a useful tool for analyzing and communicating complex processes and systems in a clear and concise manner.